Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to see me go from this to this, then stay tuned. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-in video, a testing, a first impression, whatever you want to call it, of the AVANI GREGGS X Morphe Artistry palette. Look at this palette, guys. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It has. Queen, we love. Yes. If you don't know who AVANI is, then get to know. She's a YouTube. I would say she's an artist because she does makeup and she's amazing. So check out her TikToks. Maybe I'll put one over here so you can see what she does. Let's open it up, guys. Let's see what's inside of it. Just gonna read on the back. It says here, for the babes. Hi babes, I tried to match y'all's immaculate energy with this makeup. My love for makeup is off the charts. Same goes for my love for y'all babes. P.S. Whoever's reading this, I can't wait to see what looks you create. Imagine she saw mine. But anyways, let's open this up. Y'all never get nervous? Like, I never want to like break the packaging. I just want to keep it because I just think it's cute. Oh my gosh, I love when it comes in that stuff. Okay, I think. Guys, are you ready? Oh, not about to drop it. Wow, this is just amazing. Apparently this is her artwork as well. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. No. Guys. Look at this. Sorry, I don't want to get my ring light in, so I'm going to face it this way. Ooh, ring light. Look at this palette, guys. This is amazing. So, guys, you get 20 of the shades and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. She's so not professional. And you get 10 of these. I cannot remember what they're called. I'll probably have a little thing here that says what it's called because she's a dumby. But it's basically where you use, it's like liners basically, where you can create all the cool looks. So I'm really excited to use that. And look at all these shades. I think these are like the essential shades. The reason I bought this is because I don't actually own a palette with any like bright shades or anything like that. And I was like, I really want to try bright shades. And look at these. Look at that yellow, that orange. Wow, I love this. And this color. I feel like those colors just suit like anyone. Like, ooh, yes. And I love how the writing says AVANI in it. Oh my god. I think all of these are inspired by things that she loves, which I think is really cute. It's cool to see palettes like this. And the mirror is huge. Like, wow. This mirror is nice. The mirror, guys, look how big it is. So now that we've seen the palette, let's get started with the makeup. I've already started doing my eyebrows because y'all know, like, eyebrows take so long to do sometimes and they'd be making me angry. I'd be fighting my eyebrows, but had a little fight with them today, you know what I'm saying? Because I always switch up my eyebrows, but they're like similar, but a little bit different. This one's a little bit longer and a bit more, you know? If you know me, then you know I love this concealer. Because what, guys? I look crazy. I'm joking. Because I love to have bright eyelids for eyeshadow looks. So I'm just going to place this concealer over my eyelids because I do want my eyelids to be nice and bright. You know, cover all up those dark circles. Cue the I look crazy. So now I'm just going to blend this in. I am using some sort of kabuki brush, but hey. Then I'm going in with the Mercier powder in translucent. I generally look like I could be like, I don't know, I look like one of those animals. I look like a badger. I look like a badger. I look like the kid from Timothy Goes to School. I look like that. Every single time I do my concealer like this, I look like Timothy Goes to School. I'm from England, and I know Morphe obviously is an American brand, and I'll just say this to you guys, like, I order my stuff and I always get it in 2 days, like guaranteed. Like, that's amazing. So I knew that I'd be able to film today. I'm like, yes, thank you, Morphe. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Seaweed into my crease. We're just gonna go with the flow, guys. I feel like makeup comes out so good when you just go with the flow. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I love this. Can you see that? This is why I like a light eyelid, because when it comes to light shades like this, if your eyelid is too, like, not light enough, it might not be able to pick it up. So it's always a benefit to have a light eyelid. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the shade Bruh. Curious to see what this is gonna come out like. I'm gonna add that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna add that from the side and build it in. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Ta-da! I kind of like it. Now I'm gonna just bring this color in just a bit more, just kind of into the center here. Oh, it matches my top. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe blending brush in the shade My Fave. I say that purple's a really hard color to like blend, and I feel like it's doing really well. I'm gonna go in with Eye Cry. I do be doing that. I'm just gonna put that at the corners, and I'm just gonna try just bring this just out just a little bit. Can you see how it's just already making me look more fairy-like? So this is what I've done so far. I really like it because I think it's like kind of natural, nothing too crazy. Like, I can go out like this and no one look at me like, oh. Even if they did look at me like, oh, I'd still be like, hello. I don't know, I feel like I want to go in with the purple shade and more of the blue, just because I feel like the dark will probably stand out a bit more than Gretel's will. So let's go with the dark. And I'm back, guys. So I just did my liner and I went in a little bit more with Eye Cry into my inner crease, and I'm just gonna go in now with LMAO in the center just to get a little glitter. So I'm gonna go put my eyelashes on and I'll be right back. I'm back now, guys. All my eyelashes on. Eyelashes are just being disrespectful, but it does look good. It just doesn't look as good on camera, and it's really annoying me because this is such a fun, cool look that anyone could do. Your girl has dry / combination skin. I shaved my face. It's not the first time you shave my face. Like, I have shaved my face before. I'll be a bit more gentle on it now. But honestly, I was doing my makeup recently, and I've been like, it just, my skin looks more textured. The makeup isn't sticking to my face. Like, it feels like it's on a surface. It doesn't feel like it's lying on my skin correctly. It doesn't matter what primer I've been wearing, and it's the hair. I did that, and like, with shaving is a commitment. So I feel like because I haven't shaved in my face in a while, it kind of looked a bit cray. I'm going in with the Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint. Obviously, give it a good old shine. I am using Butterscotch today. It is darker because I'm going to be using a lighter concealer, if that makes sense. And I am using the Morphe 2 brush as well. Because of working, oh, don't want it to go on my eyebrow. It means that I wear a face mask, and wearing a face mask that with heavy makeup just ain't it. So wearing this stuff has been real good to my skin. Like, it's light, you know? Can you see that? Let's show you something, guys. Gone. I'm loving this whole new like movement of like more bracing, more natural skin. Like, I'm loving that. And it's nice for us girls that have like, let's say, more drier skin, because these foundations be doing me justice. For like a very long time it was like heavy matte foundations, and I'll wear a matte foundation, but I prefer dewy, because look at my face. Glow. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Hide and Peak Concealer in the shade Hint of Buff. If you guys saw me do a review on this, then you'll know I loved all the products I got from Morphe 2. I would say that, like, I think this concealer is waterproof. I haven't completely tested it, but I'd got into the bath, right? Got into the bath and I hadn't taken my makeup off before. I was like, oh, I'm just going to use a face scrub. And I'm there trying to take it off with the face scrub and it's not trying to come off. And I was like, is this waterproof? I was like, it doesn't say it's waterproof. But I was like, okay, Morphe, go off. I would say you do have to work kind of quick with this because even though it's quite dewy, I think it wants to dry down so you don't have to wear powder with it. But you know me, I want to wear my powder because I'm really oily here and around here. I'm going to use the brush on my chin. The key to good makeup isn't about how smooth your skin is or any of that stuff. Like, obviously, if you've got super clear skin, then yes, but why do we wear makeup? To give us flawlessness. Honestly, whether it's your eyeshadow, your contour, your creams, your whatever, blend. The Laura Mercier powder. Do you know what I love is that even with, I feel like the powder, you can still see it even like glow, if that makes sense. My skin doesn't look dry. So I'm gonna leave that on my nose just to set. Going in with the bronzer shade, I think it's Megastar, and this is by Morphe. Buying this palette was such a win-win for me. Like, you don't actually need a lot of it. Like, I use a little bit more today because I want to be extra bronzed. So anyone wondering, why did you not get the rest of the AVANI GREGGS collaboration? It's because, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm broke. Like, I ain't got loads of money like that. So your girl has to be smart with her money. Then I'm going in with the kind of peachy blush shade. I'm gonna use a little bit on my nose because I just want that little blush look. So I have freckles, but I kind of a little bit disappeared. So she's got Chunkin's Coffee, which I quite like the shade of that. I'm just gonna dot that around my face bit, you know. Chunkin Coffee, that shade gave me natural looking freckles. Wow. That's the lip line I lit. Going in with Athens. You see how this looks nice, but it's not like just perfect how I want it to be because my lips are a little bit too pink. So my little trick to that is taking your favorite bronzer shade and putting it on your lips. And this is the finished look. I'm absolutely in love with this. I feel like it's really like natural, like you can go out looking like this. It's really cutesy, and I've created that all by using this. Deadass, guys, my dream is to be able to do this one day with my own palette, like collaboration with Morphe. That would be a dream, but a girl can dream. Go buy you the AVANI X Morphe palette. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. The shades were pigmented. First time ever using the liners, any product like that, and it's amazing. 10 out of 10.